Hi everyone, here we've got LG G8X ThinQ, and let me show you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings. Now let's tap on the sound, and here we've got the ringtone section. As you can see, we can change the ringtone and the notification sound. So let me pick, for example, the ringtone, and here we've got the full list of defaultly installed ringtones. We can choose something from this one, or simply tap on this plus icon and you will be able to use your own. Let me get back to the default ones, and if you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, then simply tap on it. And as you can hear, we've got some vibration attached to the ringtones. I will show you how to turn them off after choosing the ringtone. So if you're ready, click on OK. The same situation will be, of course, with notification sound. Here we've got the list of available ones. If you're ready, click on OK, and as you can see, it immediately changes. So from now on, your device will ring with the ringtone you've just chosen. If you want to turn off the vibration while ringing, then simply tap on the switcher right here. And from now on, you will hear only the ringtone without the vibration. So that's all. This is how to change a ringtone in your LG G8X ThinQ. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.